Hey guys, what's up? It's me Travis and I'm back today with a new video, and today we're going to be making some breakfast. So we're going to be making some bacon, pancakes, and eggs. Alright, so what I'm doing right now, I'm waiting for the pan to get hot so we can actually stick on the bacon. Alright, so now we're going to actually flip the bacon to the other side so that we can cook the other side of the bacon. Okay, so now the bacon is seeming like it's done. So we're going to take these two pieces out. We're going to put it in the bowl. Now we're going to take this bacon. We're going to put it in our bowl. Okay, folks, so now we're going to actually cook the pancakes. So what we need is our main ingredients is butter. Alrighty, so we're going to take some butter. We're going to just rub it around the pan. Take the pancake mix. Mix it a little bit right there. And then we're going to pour some right there. Okay, so now we're going to actually get ready to flip our pancake. And we can actually flip it. Press it a little bit. Now we're going to get our plate to plate this pancake. Right there. Okay, so now it's time to cook the eggs. So we're going to crack one. Okay, so what we're going to use some salt. And we're going to use some pepper. Okay, so now we're going to actually pour the eggs into the pan. Okay, so next we're going to drop the cheese. We're going to let that melt.